Today, many people have simple robots in their homes that can vacuum their carpets. There are also robot security guards patrolling buildings at night, robot guides, and robot factory workers. In 2006, it was estimated that there were 950,000 industrial robots and 3,540,000 service robots working in homes and buildings. But in the coming decades, the field of robotics may blossom in several directions. But these robots won't look like the ones of science fiction. The greatest impact may be felt in what are called expert systems, software programs that have encoded in them the wisdom and experience of a human being. As we saw in the last videos, one day, we may talk to the internet on our wall screens and converse with the friendly face of a robodoc or robolawyer. This field is called heuristics, that is, following a formal, rule-based system. When we need to plan a vacation, we will talk to the face in the wall screen and give it our preferences for the vacation: how long, where to, which hotels, what price range. The expert system will already know our preferences from past experiences and then contact hotels, airlines, etc., and give us the best options. But instead of talking to it in a chatty, gossipy way, we will have to use a fairly formal, stylized language that it understands. Such a system can rapidly perform any number of useful chores. You just give it orders, and it makes a reservation at a restaurant, checks for the location of stores, orders grocery and takeout, reserves a plane ticket, etc. It is precisely because of the advances in heuristics over the past decades that we now have some of the rather simple search engines of today. But they are still crude. It is obvious to everyone that you are dealing with a machine and not a human. In the future, however, robots will become so sophisticated that they will almost appear to be human-like, operating seamlessly with nuance and sophistication. Perhaps the most practical application will be in medical care. For example, at the present time, if you feel sick, you may have to wait hours in an emergency room before you see a doctor. In the near future, you may simply go to your wall screen and talk to robodoc. You will be able to change the face, and even the personality, of the robodoc that you see with the push of a button. The friendly face you see in your wall screen will ask a simple set of questions. How do you feel? Where does it hurt? When did the pain start? How often does it hurt? Each time, you will respond by choosing from a simple set of answers. You will answer not by typing on a keyboard but by speaking. Each of your answers, in turn, will prompt the next set of questions. After a series of such questions, the robodoc will be able to give you a diagnosis based on the best experience of the world's doctors. Imagine a world where expert systems handle our daily tasks with seamless precision. From medical care to financial planning, these AI-driven advisors will transform our lives. But what exactly are expert systems, and how will they shape our future? Let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and heuristics. Expert systems are advanced computer programs that simulate the decision-making abilities of human experts. They analyze vast amounts of data, apply rules, and provide precise recommendations. Unlike traditional software, expert systems use heuristics, a method of learning from past experiences to make intelligent choices. The concept of expert systems dates back to the 1960s, when computer scientists sought to create AI that could mimic human reasoning. Early systems like Mycin, designed for medical diagnosis, and Dendril, used for chemical analysis, paved the way for today's intelligent assistants. Over the decades, expert systems have evolved, integrating machine learning and big data analytics. Today, expert systems are revolutionizing multiple industries. Let's take a closer look at some of the most impactful applications. In healthcare, AI-powered doctors, or robodocs, can provide instant diagnoses based on symptoms. These virtual assistants reduce wait times and offer round-the-clock consultations. In finance, expert systems analyze market trends and advise investors, optimizing their portfolios with precision. Robo-advisors are already helping people manage their money efficiently. Legal expert systems are making law more accessible by providing instant legal guidance. These AI lawyers can draft contracts, analyze case law, and help individuals navigate complex legal issues. How do these expert systems function? They rely on three key components. 1. Knowledge base. This is the repository of expert knowledge, containing facts, rules, and insights from human specialists. 2. Inference engine. The brain of the system, it applies logical rules to interpret the data and provide conclusions. 3. User interface. This is how users interact with the system, whether through voice, text, or immersive virtual experiences. As technology advances, expert systems will become more intuitive and human-like. Future versions will understand emotions, predict user needs, and adapt to personal preferences. Imagine an AI assistant that not only schedules appointments but also anticipates your desires based on past choices.
That's what's at stake here. Not choice, responsibility.
With great power comes great responsibility. As expert systems take on critical roles, ethical considerations become paramount. Issues like data privacy, AI bias, and accountability must be addressed. Who takes responsibility when an AI system makes an error? Policymakers and technologists must work together to ensure these systems serve humanity ethically and fairly. Expert systems are set to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. They will enhance our efficiency, improve decision-making, and revolutionize industries. But as we embrace this future, we must ensure these systems align with our values and ethical standards. What excites you the most about expert systems? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. Until next time, keep exploring the digital frontier.